Alright guys, so welcome back. Yesterday I said I was going to do the pinch welds and I didn't. Sorry about that, but today we'll get to it. Alright, let's talk about tools. Out of all the tools, let's say if you only had one tool to use, this is the one you're going to need. Will this work? Nah, yes, no, no. Do you need a hammer? Not really, but you need a crescent wrench. I've tried both of these in the past and they suck. This one, the reason why is that the crescent wrench can get to the width that you need and it'll stay there, giving you the leverage to work it out. Hammers, you don't really need it at all. You just gotta take your time and work through it. So you probably could use a vice grip, but it's not as nice as this. I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so you see here, it's all mangled. It's been jacked up here, jacked up here, jacked up here, and so on. People just people just don't care. A lot of times it could be like a mechanic shop, like you take it to them and then they're gonna change your tire. They'll jack it up right here in the middle to do both at the same time, and they don't care. I would say this pinch weld is probably one of the better ones I've had. On my silver coupe. It was mashed from the front to the back, and so I took my time and just worked it out. But this is the trick: get your diameter right. Your width right. Make sure it fits in there nicely, and then tighten it, and then work your way from left to right. I'm not looking at the actual engine. And then just work your way in. Tighten it as you go. There it is. And doing that exposes the metal, so you're gonna have to go back and spray it with some sort of paint or something. Gonna work our way through the whole thing. A lot of this is messed up. So gently work your way across the whole weld. Don't bend the whole thing all at once. Work a little here, a little there, and go back and forth. Make sure you're not like destroying it. See how the paint's cracking? This will happen. Exposes bare metal. But there's really no way around that. It's now your responsibility to go and paint it. Tighten it. Get it to where you need it. I'll set you guys down and then work on it.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
See, this part is really beat up. Oops. there's no real easy way to do it. I'm sure some body shops have machines for this or something. I don't know, but this is how I do it. It's not gonna be.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, baby. It's not gonna be perfect, but it will look a lot better than a beat up pinch weld.
Are you listening?
And if they're a little wider, start off wide, bring one side in, tighten it, bring the other side in, tighten it, bring the other side in, tighten it, and then you'll be able to eventually work this whole thing out. Alright, let's see if I can hyperlapse it. Alright, so this was completely folded flat. Like, there was no pinch weld there. This whole piece right here to here was flat. I worked it out slowly from here, pulled it, and so then eventually got all of it off, and then worked the rest of it there. You can see it's straight now, straighter. And depending on you, how much you want to get into fixing this, some people will call this good. I'm gonna try to hammer most of this straight and then spray paint it. There it goes. It's gonna look good. Alright guys, so it's Valentine's Day, so I can't do too much. Gotta get prepared. But here it is. I didn't have matte black. I don't want to paint it gloss. I want to paint it kind of matte because you can see this is kind of matted right here, and the gloss starts up here. I want to keep that. So for now, until I go get it, I'm just gonna leave it like this. It just sits in the garage. It doesn't get any moisture exposure, but you see it's pretty legit now. Before, this was non-existent, completely flat, but now it's nice. And the side profile really changes when you have that, and if you don't, people notice it. I notice it. Like, I realize there's something missing, and once you have that, your car just looks that much more legit. That's how I fix them. It's not a repair, it's just a minor fix. I mean, I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys.